Okay, guys, quick video here. Just wanted to update you guys on the markets today, the day before CPI. CPI is an inflation data event for tomorrow. So tomorrow being Friday at 8:30, a lot of the trading all week has been in anticipation of that. So if we take a look at the SPY and we look at the daily chart, you can see here, and I'm just going to take off the indicators. Right here, we have been for 2 weeks, chopping around this area right here. So this is where traders, hedge funds, the big money is just waiting ahead of that big macro news release tomorrow morning. So just be aware of that, especially if you're watching this video tonight, Thursday night. Just be aware that tomorrow is going to be pretty crazy. And it could be pretty crazy today too. And we're already seeing some of that really wild action. I mean, yesterday we were at 416, and now we're back to the bottom of this zone. This zone is this really specific area we've seen. Basically, like I said, for over 2 weeks, we're in this zone right here. So when price dips down into this zone, that's when I would be thinking and liking longs, okay? Why not? Now, things look scary. They look scary. They look scary, but they get bought up down in this zone. Now, with CPI coming up tomorrow, that's when things can start to break. We're either going to break to the upside out of this level, or we're going to break to the downside, which is right under these lows right here. And then you can see, a potential retest of previous lows if that happens. So it all depends how the algorithms want to trade this. The way that I trade this is with the S&P E-minis. And now look at this. This is a perfect example here. I had shared this with our Discord that we were seeing this trend line from the pre-market. So, from this morning, trend line had a lot of trouble around here. And I'll just show you guys here in a second. This is where I just shared this, for everybody to be aware of this trend line. And I did it right when it first happened. So that lets everybody know on here that there's a potential to see, wrong button, a potential to see, at least for the time being, a little bit of a pullback off of the open. These are good to, trade with. Another trade here was a short taken with this bear flag. So a bear flag is when the market's coming down, comes back up, and then you take a short. Okay, so that was another trade that I took there. And that was also at VWAP. So this was a good, very nice break of VWAP, and then a retest of VWAP and this bear flag to more downside. So that was a nice trade, nice technical analysis. This is also some nice technicals here that we're seeing right now on the trend line. And the key levels, you can see here, huge rejections at these key levels. I'm just going to make this a little bit shorter. Actually, you know what? I want to show you guys the reason why I have SPY down here. The weekly level here of 410.50 has been very key to us. So this is why I like to look at the SPY down here, so that it correlates with what I'm trading at the moment. Also, just knowing these levels, you can see here rejections, break through it, and now we're back to retesting that area. We're retesting this 41.05 on the ES. So, this is how I trade. I just trade with support, resistance, trend lines, price action. And that's how we made $230 today. But I want you guys to be aware that with tomorrow coming up, CPI, liquidity, volume today will probably be a little bit lower as traders are waiting for that data to come out, which can really see wild swings in the market, which makes trading very difficult, especially this entire consolidation period. Trading in a range is very tough. So while you might say, oh, you just buy at support, you sell at resistance, when you're trading futures, you can't really sit in trades that long, and you have to look at very good entries. So that's it for me, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this quick video. Hit the thumbs up for me, and I'll see you back tomorrow with the CPI. Take care.